Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorido channel. As we all know, SOX printer is the kind of essential equipment for creating unique and personalized SOX. With its advanced technology, it allows us to get fancy and very fashion designs of printing SOX instead of the ordinary one. Today, we are introducing you our second generation SOX printer, CO-80-1200. Let's see what amazing character and advantages it has. First, the print pad, and it's equipped with 2 units of the Epson DX5 pads. And software, we are using the PhotoPrint software. The printing mode for this one is the flat scanning printing mode, and speed around 30 to 40 pairs per hour. So that is very efficient and very easy to operate for the new starter. And for the daily output, it is like if you have 1 shift per day, you can get 240 to 400 pairs per day. And if you have 2 shifts, like say 16 hours to 20 hours, then the daily output will be double, like 480 to 800 pairs per day. Multifunction and customization. One of the most advantages of this SOX printer is its multifunction. Whether it is the complicated pattern design or the precise outline logo or any other personalized images, this SOX printer can meet up all your demands for printing on various SOX, like crew SOX, uncle SOX, low-cost SOX, etc., without any measurement and SOX shape limitation. This printer can print all these kind of SOX. It truly grows wings for your unique innovation and makes your brand to be super outstanding. All in all, this second generation SOX printer is really the revolutionary solution for the customer's SOX printing. If you are ready to join the SOX printing industry, or you would like to increase your personal projection to the next level, we recommend you to invest in this remarkable equipment. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe us with more details. See you next time. Bye.